Mhm. And- mhm. Hello, welcome back. And extremely sorry, Buro. I just come back. I can't hold myself. If you guys can hear me, and let me know that. Yeah, just let me know that you can hear me. If everything is cool, then let me know that. Okay. I just asked you Twitter if you coming or not. Issue is I am not using Twitter, so how I know? I'm subscribed and notified also. Shaz, I really don't know, brother. I have no idea. Maybe uh, you will get the notification. If you push the notification button, then you will get the notification. I guess so. Okay, can you guys hear me? Hey Peter, you didn't sleep yet? Oh man. Hello brother, yes, clear. Okay, so yeah, you can hear me. That's cool, man. When we have good price action and range, we have to come. Yeah, we have to come. Okay, so first I would love to show you some randomness. So this is the breaker block. Market tapped with this breaker one time, two time, three time, never broke that breaker block, right? Then it went lower. Where did it go? Nude opening gap. So this is the reaction from the nude opening gap. Price came here, retrace again. Now where did it came? I know it's random, but yeah, sometimes randomness is so cool. I can see it actually came over here to this last parallel gap from 1 minute chart. I will see if it can break that parallel gap or not. But over here, it just came. Where did it came? 1 minute last parallel gap. Just went lower, retrace, went lower, break the nude opening gap, coming back again higher. Where is it going right now? Is it going for the buy side liquidity? I don't believe it. Why? The reason is market didn't take that sell side liquidity yet. So at the same time, it has make new sell side liquidity area here. This is the new sell side. This is also going to be taken, right? This sell side liquidity is now obvious. And yeah, it's over here. I'm looking for sell. This breaker block, I don't need that, not anymore. Okay, it has done its job. It doesn't need to stay over here. It should be broken. Randomness is so clean, I mean so cool. We get the random price. Thank you guys for, yeah, I hope you can hear me. Peter, you didn't sleep. Why didn't you sleep, man? Can market take that sell side liquidity tomorrow? There is low probability. If market would love to take that sell side liquidity tomorrow, that's gonna be a low probability. Obviously market can do that. There's nothing wrong with that. So I'll come here to 15-minute chart first, and I would love to mark the 15-minute parabolic up over here. And see, this is the 15-minute parabolic up, which is actually valid. Until now it's valid. Over here, this is the 15-minute last parabolic up. I'm gonna mark it like that way. Is this 2? Yeah, this is 201. So the PM silver bullet has started. Let's see if we can have something or not. As this is broken already, 1 minute last parabolic up, I'm gonna remove it from my chart. At the same time, look at this nude opening gap. Market went lower, went higher. Where did it go exactly? To the nude opening gap low. Tap to the nude opening gap low, come lower. Fail to take that low, make the relatively equal lows. This is your sell side liquidity now. When market is going higher, what should you look for? You should look for buy side liquidity. So market is going higher to take the liquidity. I will have to mark this 1 hour parabolic cap as well, and I will see if it can reach until that parabolic cap or not from hourly chart. Why I'm marking hourly chart? Because of this so sloppy price action. Here the price action is too sloppy. I will I will wait. Let's see how much buy side liquidity it can take in. Hey Shahid, how are you, brother? Printing t-shirts, cannot sleep. Oh man. Hi all, how are you, brother? I'm fine, Erin. I'm fine. Thanks for asking, brother. New day opening gap, opening time. Go to your chart, find out the 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. There will be gap over here. Look, this is the 5 p.m. closing. This is the 6 p.m. opening. 5 p.m. closing, 6 p.m. opening. So this is the new opening gap, brother. I'm in 1 minute chart now, and I will see if there is any fair value gap which is right now which is actually trading from 1 minute chart. So I'm gonna mark this fair value gap from 1 minute chart. Let's see if it is actually trading this one or it is going to break that fair value gap. Okay, it's actually breaking this fair value gap from 1 minute chart. So last fair value gap from 1 minute chart is also, let's see if it is broke or not. Okay, so all I'm seeing is market is taking the buy side liquidity, nothing else. Oh man, you missed this big run. I don't care because I'm bearish. I really don't care about this opposite run. I'm seeing this run as only the liquidity taken. So you see this, all of these highs, everything has taken over here. I will wait for a setup for the sell side now. If market would love to go little higher, you can see this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. That is also in my concern, but I really don't want to see that market is going to break that fair value gap from 15 minutes. I really don't want to see that. I want to see market will reverse from here around that area. That's all I want to see. If I get a setup, I will go for the sell. If market doesn't give me the setup and it started to go higher, then I will keep a look to that 1 minute last fair value gap from 1 minute chart, right? So here, this is the last fair value gap from 1 minute chart. So I will wait until that 1 minute fair value gap. Then I will again look for a sell setup. This whole run, I will let it go. I don't care about this opposite run, okay? And your bias is still bearish, brother. I'm still bearish, brother. I'm kind of very bad guy. Until it hits my target, I don't change my bias. I can't change my bias. Okay. If anybody is new to my channel, I mean to my streaming here, you can subscribe to my channel. You are welcome. Okay. If you subscribe, you are welcome. And if you see the pop-up notification, you please let me know that yeah, there is someone who subscribed. I really would love to see that, how it looks like. I never saw that, so please, if you see someone subscribed and it popped up to the screen, please let me know. PM silver bullet now. Yeah, I can see it. If fair value gap at bottom was valid to take long, it obviously everything is valid for taking long because you can see after effect it went so high. But as I told, if I'm bearish, I'm expecting lower run. I don't look for buy setup. Okay, I really don't look for buy setup. So I'm only looking for the selling setup. So all of this setup, I don't care about this bull run. I'm not interested to take that bull run. Yeah, from here to here. Bullshit price action. Spectator, don't trade then, man. If you don't feel comfortable, don't trade, man. I know as we are bearish today. Yeah, Preet, I'm bearish, man. Yeah, it's hard to have that mindset. Stick to a bias, hard right. ICT teaches that. I saw a video of Thursday says continuation of the Wednesday though. Uh, for me it's really easy. For me to hold the bias is really easy because this is logic. Let me come here to the 1 hour chart. So from 1 hour chart, this is the whole price. Let me actually make it more bigger. Yeah, now it's cool. Look, market has taken the buy side liquidity here. It has taken the buy side liquidity. Market fall. This is the hourly fair value gap. Market came to that hourly fair value gap, went lower, retrace, lower, retrace, lower, until this low is not taken, because this is the very nice buy, what to say, I mean double bottom. See, every single time market has made a zone here. Every single time price came here, went higher, went higher. So this is a area where market should trade first. So it should take all of this low and see here some fair value gap. It should tap to that fair value gap, any of this fair value gap. Then it should expand higher toward that all-time high. This is all-time high, and that is my extreme buy side liquidity. So if market can take that sell side liquidity by today or tomorrow, I'll be bullish for next week. Okay, simple. I'll be bullish for the next week. You come to 15-minute chart, you can see this is relatively equal lows. This is relatively equal lows. Here, this is relatively equal lows. So where should market go? Should it go for that? No. Is there any relatively equal highs? No. Is there any buy side liquidity? No. Then where should it go? For the sell side. So how can be it so difficult if you see the liquidity? Where is your liquidity? Here is your liquidity. Where should market go? Here. But brother, it went so dramatically higher. I don't care. It's going higher. I don't care. What I'm going to, I mean, if it come here, what I'm going to miss? Just some setup. I'm going to miss some setup. That doesn't mean I'm a loser. That doesn't mean I'm wrong. That doesn't mean nothing because I didn't participate any long run. I just missed one day. That's all. So it has already given us so many opportunity to take sell today. Already it has given me so many opportunity around 8:30, 9:30. Then here, lot of opportunity has already given. If I just missed one run, it doesn't mean that I'm wrong. So these guys failed to hold. I'm gonna remove it from my chart and I'm seeing how far it can reach. Still remember, this is the 15-minute fair value gap, which is absolutely valid. This is absolutely valid 15-minute fair value gap. Why? Look, this 15-minute fair value gap closed by the wick, but it didn't close by the body. So if it was closed by the body, I wouldn't mark that. I don't need to mark that. And when it didn't close by the body, I will keep using that fair value gap. Okay, this can be inducement, brother, for bull trap. Mm, yeah, it can be, brother. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. It can be. What I'm seeing is it has actually taken this buy side liquidity. So here, this buy side liquidity has taken. It has taken all of this buy side liquidity, traded the 15-minute fair value gap constant and crossman. Let's see if we can have market structure shift here or not. Let's see, okay. And I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't push your button with my analysis. So till now, nobody actually subscribed to my channel, right? If anybody subscribe to my channel and if it pops up on the screen, please let me know that. Please, that's the request. I would really love to see how it look like. Anybody here from Portugal? Anybody here from Portugal? Ninja Hattori. Again, guys, if it's just keep going higher, if it keeps going higher, I am not losing anything because I am not going to participate to that run. So I'm okay with that. I just missed the run. That doesn't mean I'm wrong. That doesn't mean I have lost everything. No, nothing. I don't see the market like that way. If it works with my expectation, I'll jump for the trade. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna hand off. Okay. You are moving to Portugal? Yeah, I'm going to move to Portugal, brother. Pikachu solo. Let's give the like, guys, for another PM session stream. Let's give me the like, guys. Lenny around 1842.00 seems equal highs my buy side liquidity. 1842. So you are talking about here maybe this and that. Yeah, they are relatively equal highs. They are the buy side liquidity as well. Obviously, market can take those. Then it can tap to the hourly fair value gap. There is the hourly fair value gap. This is the hourly fair value gap high. This is the hourly fair value gap low. Same time, this is the 1 minute last fair value gap. Obviously, price can reach until that level. There is nothing wrong with that. But I am not interested to take buy. And I wasn't here. Even if I was here, I wouldn't push my button for the buy side. I didn't do that. I won't do that. Okay, I will never do that. The reason is I'm expecting lower run, so I'm only interested to take sell, not to take buy. Okay. Now it will chop one long hour if enter. Don't enter, brother. Pikachu, congrats, bro. Why you are congratulating me, brother? Let me know that, Pikachu. On top of your chart, last travel cap is still valid. Let me check, brother. I don't know it's valid or not. This one, yeah, it's still valid. This travel cap didn't closed by the body. See, it closed by the week, but that doesn't mean it's invalid. Still, it's valid. Okay, still it's valid. What is the cell setup you are looking now? Market structure sheet. Just clean market structure sheet with a displacement and a nice travel gap. That's all, brother. London session tomorrow. London session tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. I don't think so because I have to go to pray around. I mean 3:30. Around 3:30, I have to go to pray. Tomorrow is the Jumma, so no, tomorrow won't be the London session. Yes, only sales. Yeah, Lenny, I'm only interested to take sell. And every time market is going higher, I'm seeing this the liquidity seeking. So market is going higher to take the liquidity only. That's my intention right now. You moving to Portugal to start new life for yourself. I'm happy for you. Oh, okay, Pikachu. Actually, I have been living in Europe from 2017. Okay, so from 2017, 17 January, I started my life Europe life. I was in Denmark until 2029. Then I moved to Portugal. I was there for 1 year actually. Regularly, I was there for one year. Then after the pandemic in 2020 December, I came Bangladesh. Then I keep going over there, coming here in Bangladesh, going there, coming here, something like that. Okay. So yeah, but I am not new in Portugal. Sorry, in Europe. Okay. Where you from, bro? I'm from Bangladesh, brother. Stock trades. I'm from Bangladesh, brother. Do you think that equal lows has to take with exact week? Okay, when you say structure, can you explain some examples? See, this week has traded that travel gap. So this is a valid swing low, which is valid for shifting market structure. Now, if a candle can go through this low, I don't need the body close below that low. I don't need that. Even if a wick can go just below that low, I will get the market structure shift. At the same time, all I need valid fair value gap over there. If there is a valid fair value gap, I will look for sell. If there is no fair value gap, this setup is not valid for me. Okay, simple. This is pure 22 YT model. So see this candle, if it can go to that low, then close little above of that line, there is nothing wrong. But it has to be shifted, okay, with a very nice bevel gap. That's all, brother. Okay, okay, new subscriber. Let's see if I can see it or not. I guess it has already done because you were a little late. I mean, there is a late streaming. So yeah, I just need to see the time. What time is it exactly? Can you tell me what's time? Okay, so 2:18. So around 2:18 I got the subscription. So later I will see. So two new subs. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, brother. Still I didn't get the market structure shift. I need the market structure shift. Okay, just a week below that low. Okay, now I got the market structure shift. All I need to see if there is a valid fair value gap or not. Is it a shift? Yeah, I got the shift. All I need a fair value gap now here. If this can be valid, I'm gonna take a sell from there. My stop loss will cover this fair value gap. See this fair value gap? This is the breakaway gap over here. Now, if you want to push your button, you can push, but I'm not going to push my button. The reason is I'm already profitable for near about 1100, 1200. I forgot. I have uploaded the screenshot here. If it can give me a chance to take entry within 3 candle, that should be my entry. My stop loss will cover that breakaway gap. So it's gonna be only 9 handle loss. If I take a loss, it will be just a 9 handle. But this is logic, okay? I will go to 15-minute chart. From 15-minute chart, I'm going to mark the fair value gap over here, and the 50% will be my target. If I take that entry here, that will be my target. So I'm already in the trade here. This is called our well-known setup. If it is going to work or not, I really don't know, but yeah, I will take that entry because I'm looking for sell. This is the first time I got the pure clean market structure shape, pure setup. So this setup should work. I will go for this setup. Market should not go above that 50-minute sorry, that breakaway gap constant encroachment. It should not close above the constant encroachment of the breakaway gap. That's the rule. It can go little above, but body has to close at the level of the breakaway gap constant encroachment or below the constant encroachment. Okay, so it has to close over there. So that's the rule. Now if it can go little lower below that candle, this will be my order block here. This will be my order block. If it can close below that low, then this will be my order block. Still now this is not order block, okay, so don't get confused. If it can close below that low, then this will be my order block, but first it has to close below that low. If it close below one tick low, then it will be my order block. If it doesn't, then it's not valid. Now still now this is not order block. Let me check. No, it's valid. It's valid order block because it closed below that low, so it's a valid order block. All I or don't want to see a body close above the mean threshold of that order block. So here is the mean threshold of that order block. Market should not close above that mean threshold of that order block. That's all I don't want to see. It can trade the order block, nothing wrong with that, but body can't close above the mean threshold. Now that's the rule here. This is the mean threshold, this is the order block. Guys, please don't push your button with me because I'm not always right, okay? So I don't want to take the responsibility of your money. That's the thing, brother. At the same time, you can see there is a message, streams elements message. That's my membership link. Actually, I put that auto. So after 30 minutes, it's gonna appear to the chat box. If you want to take the subscriptions, you will be appreciated. Okay, so that's the app, but you are not going to get any extra facilities from that membership. That's for sure. Okay, so yeah, and here the thing is, okay, it's just hesitating here. I don't like that. It should not hesitate over here. Either it should trade that order block or it should fall. Anything should have done right now. It should not hesitate over here. Okay, anybody here from Portugal? How you mark new day opening gap? Okay, new day opening gap marking is too easy. Why you are getting confused? See, this is 5 p.m. closing, 6 p.m. opening. 5 p.m. closing, 6 p.m. opening. 5 p.m. closing, 6 p.m. opening. There is a gap more than I mean 6 to 7 handle, I love to mark that as my nude opening gap. So it's not good at all. Market should fall dramatically here. If it started to consolidate, if I was in my trade, I would put my stop loss to the break even here, because I don't like this type of consolidation here. I want to see like boom, something like that. It should boom here. It should not do this thing. So yeah, I would put my stop loss to the break even because I don't want to take the risk here. Okay. And I have targeted the 50% of the, actually not exactly 50%. I should go for this fair value gap. Okay. So I would love to take my profit here to that exact high of that fair value gap. Love to go over there. Okay. But trust me, market is coming here toward that sell side liquidity. Then that sell side liquidity, finally that sell side liquidity. Market is coming over there. So yeah, it is what it is. Okay, I got again, maybe I got a subscription. Thank you, Peter, but I'm gonna miss every time. So I have to rewatch this so that maybe I will able to see the subscription. Subs after subs go so great, seems streams has started viral. Oh man, no. Oh man, where did it came? Just look, where did it came? I know it's random, but yeah, I love the random things. Yeah, this travel gap can give me a reaction, but it should not hold the price, send it back higher. It should not do that. It can give you a reaction, but eventually it should go through this parabol gap. This is the last parabol gap to that leg. It should go through that parabol gap because my bias is bearish. So every bullish parabol gap should have been broken. Every bearish parabol gap has to be broken. Okay? Has to be broken. And remember, I just put my stop loss to the break even. So if I get hit, I'm not going to lose anything. Now, actually, if you take that entry from here to that last parallel gap, not good. I mean, 1700, it's not good. No, no, no. You should take that risk, right? Guys, again, I have a very bad habit of trailing my stop loss. It's your job. How do you manage your trade? It's your job. Okay, I'm not actually teaching you to trade management. I'm not teaching you that. I'm not teaching anything to you actually. I'm just sharing my thinking. But yeah, trade management is your job. How do you manage your trade? It's your job. I'm just trying to show you the direction, how you will anticipate the price, when you should look for some kind of setup, when you will see some kind of reaction, why you are getting that reaction. So it has traded the order block. Perfect, no problem with that. Let's see now if it can fall. So the last parallel gap, this is the reaction. This reaction went until the order block. I'm really happy to see that. My maximum line is this mean threshold. So that's my maximum line. That means this reaction can send the price maximum to the mean threshold. If I'm right, if market would love to go lower, it should not break that mean threshold. That's the logic. Okay? If I'm wrong and market really would love to go higher, would love to take that buy side liquidity and trade that hourly parallel gap, then it's going to be broken. That mean threshold is going to be broken. So far it's cool. I mean, it has traded that order block, tap to the min threshold. The reaction from the min threshold tapping, I'm really happy to see that. I will just wait for the next candle. If the next candle go lower, break this parallel gap, that's kind of heaven. Okay, I'm just trying to give you the precision. Now I'm going to use this line as my stop loss. Okay, this is my stop loss because I can't move the, what to say, I can move this line, so I'm gonna use this one. My stop loss will be here, just above that swing high. See this swing high? It has just made that swing high. My stop loss will be just above that swing high. So if I get stopped out, I will I'll be happy with that, because market should not go back to the mean threshold one more time. Yes, subscriptions. We can see one video with congrats image, but can you mute sound? Yeah, I will mute the sound, brother. I will mute it. I didn't know that there is a sound. I will do that, brother. I'm with you on that entry. We are also trading below the 50% level of today's move. Okay. Good night, bro. Hardik, you are going? See you, man. See you tomorrow. See you, bruh. See you, brother. Love gunfire. I'm not I'm not getting comfort with this kind of Mickey Mouse move. These moves are really very bad. I want some kind of big run now. Okay, maybe it will take one more minute before giving me the big run. So next candle will go through this parabolic gap. If next candle go through this parabolic gap, it has to go through this parabolic gap by the next candle. This candle should go through this parabolic gap. There is no other option. Okay, market has no option. It has to go through this parabolic gap with a big run. If not, then I'm perfectly wrong. In that type of situation, I would love to put my stop loss over here, just above that order block, because market should not go above that order block one more time. This candle has to go through this parabolic gap. It's 12 a.m. time to sleep, bro. Okay, okay, Hardik. See you tomorrow, brother. Guys, again, okay, don't look at my trade management, because I have a very bad habit of my trade management, of my trailing stop loss. I really have a very bad habit. See this constant encroachment of that week? Market should not go above that constant encroachment here. This order block, this mean threshold, this constant encroachment. Everything is a very strong barriers to stop price, send it back for the sell side. Do you trade full time, bro? What trades? I don't know. What do I do actually, brother? Guys, you are with me for near about 1 2 3 weeks or maybe 1 month. What do I do actually? I don't trade, brother. I actually spend my time over here in live streaming. I am kind of bad guy. Okay, I don't do anything, for me. That's all. Actually, there is some problem. Now my stop loss will be here. See this candle high. This will be my order. I mean stop loss. This fabulous gap should not be broken. Market has should not go. I mean the body should not close above that fabulous gap. That 1 minute last fabulous gap. Now there is a thing. Okay, if I missed this entry, for example, I missed that entry, there was another opportunity to take that entry here. This is 50-50. Okay, my stop loss will be just above that 1 minute last parallel gap, and I will go for maybe further something like this. But trust me, brother, this is 50-50. That's why my stop loss is too small, very small. If I'm wrong, I'm going to be stopped out for 3 handle maybe. If I'm right, I'm going to get huge profit. You have no idea how much profit I'm going to get. So this is kind of 50-50. I mean, I will teach all of these things, but not now. It will take little time. Okay. You don't trade, you are certified terminator, brother. Oh man, I'm a terminator. Yeah, I don't sleep. And guys, if it hits here, right? If it hits here, I will expect that you guys will write down boom. Okay, if it hits here, then if it doesn't hit, okay, no problem. I'm gonna put my stop loss over here. That's my stop loss. So I actually cover some profit here, here to here. So 10 handle. I cover 10 handle profit. What is my profit right now? Near about 29 handle. Okay. So 29 handle profit, but I'm not going to close it. I would love to trail my stop loss too fast. So you see it has traded that fair value gap. It went little above that fair value gap, doesn't matter, but that's that entry. Okay. Or if I missed that entry, sometimes, very rarely, but sometimes I actually took, okay, here I got stopped out. Even if I took that entry, I would have stopped out over there because market should not go above. Here I will see this candle high. Let's see if it can hold the price or not. Okay. If it hit my stop loss, I'll be happy to get stopped out because that's my problem. But I'm still benefited by trailing my stop loss. So it hit my stop loss. Yeah, I got stopped out with a small profit, but I'm happy with that. I just can't hold my stop loss like that way. Okay. Ah, but yeah, let's see if I would put my stop loss to the break even. For example, some of you actually took that entry. I'm thinking like that. Some of you took that entry. You kept your stop loss to the break even. In that type of situation, it hits the target profit or not. It hits it or not. Let's see. I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss, but I'm getting benefit by trailing stop loss. So I really don't care about my that bad habit. Most of the time, I get profit from there. Now it's your job. Do you want to write on boom or not? It's it's your opinion. Now I can't ask for that boom. Okay, I can't ask for that because my stop loss hit. Okay, okay, okay. This fair value gap should have been broken again. It has to be broken again. You can re-enter if the setup is still valid. Yeah, Raja, it's true. I do that things, but yeah, but I do that things. For example, let me give you the example, live example. Okay, this is the live example. Over here, I took an entry here. I took an entry around that area. Okay, and then I got stopped out here. So I got three handle loss here. I got stopped out here. That was a three handle loss. Then I took re-entry here and I closed my trade there, here to here. So I took re-entry. I do that. I do that. So yeah, it's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Boom, always every day, man. Okay, AFX bro. I stumbled on your channel 2 days ago, and I have to say, no one on YouTube explains price action like you. Big mode. It's a great compliment, brother. It's a great compliment, man. I mean, I'm not worthy to get that compliment. I'm not that much good. I really don't know anything about this price action. Nothing at all. Okay. There's a lot of people who are really so good about the price action. They know what they're doing. Yeah, I also know what I'm doing. But don't give me that thing. Okay. Okay. So it hits the target profit. You can see. But I can't ask you. It hits, right? See, just tap to that target over there. But I'm not going to ask the boom, but if you want you can write down boom. Okay, I will write it down here. I love that word. I really love that word. I'll say it's boom. Okay, I take a 2R. Leonardo Miguel. Okay, man, you got 2R. Congratulations. Good trader. I like this stream. Thank you, Love Gunfire. Then don't forget to give me the like. Okay, learn a lot from you. Thank you. No problem. He's the wizard. ICT wizard. Peter, you guys are the wizard. Same dear, you're explaining to new people nice. Okay, if it is helping you, I'm happy. Okay. Thank you, Lenny. Thank you, Hassan. Thank you, Shahid Hassan. Biplab Neval, your subscribers number should be bullish like Bitcoin USD. Hey Biplab, how are you, brother? Peter, thanks, brother, for that word. I love that boom word. Akshay Madhok, thank you, brother. Big Mode, I'm spending the weekend on your playlist. If you would love to spend your weekend in my playlist, I will suggest you. Can I show it to you guys? I mean, I hope you won't get mind, right? I will just show you because some people are new here. Man, this is not, I'm not telling this for my views. To be honest, I'm not telling this for my views, just for you guys. Whatever I'm doing here, this is just for you. Go here, look, study, see, study. Go here. There is near about 16 video. Trust me, man. Whatever you are going to get from that 16 videos, you will never regret. Never ever. After completing this study section with the notes, okay, just watching Netflix is not going to help you. You have to take the notes. After watching this, come here. This is the second most priority, the narrative. There is just 5 videos. There is a lot of narratives, but I have explained the simple one. Let me go to 5 minute chat. I have explained the simple one here. Okay. Monday is the accumulation day. Tuesday is the manipulation. Wednesday expansion. Thursday continuation of the expansion. Okay. That's the thing I explained over here. And you are going to get it 80% of the time. 80% of the week you are going to get that. After finishing these two folder, if you have time, if you still feel like okay this guy is helping us, then go to macro. The macro is just an independent folder where you don't need to read anything. You don't need higher time frame, you don't need daily bias, you just need nothing. But all you need is to backtest. You have to backtest, you have to understand. This folder is just for 20 candle game, just 20 candle game. It will give you 20 candle game. If you ask me, 90% of the time you will be the winner. 19% of the time, and I guarantee you. After this, go to the fair value gap concept, and this is the daily into okay, there is weekly analysis, daily bias, trade analysis, trade execution. These things, if you want to see, you can see. Most priority is study. After study, narrative. After narrative, macro. Then fair value gap concept. Finally, you can come here because I'm just posting the summarize of every day here. Okay, so till now there is only 3 videos, so Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. I will put today's the recap as well here. Okay, so I'm sorry for that long discussion. Oh man, just come back to the price action, don't waste your time. So thank you, it actually take that low and it has traded the 50-minute fair value gap consequent crossman. Do I need more trade? I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, so guys, and again, okay, don't waste your time by watching them. You have to take the notes. Okay, you have to take the notes. Hey Vendor. Okay. Okay, I am spending the week. Okay, okay, okay. Yep, no one explains price action better than this guy. Mayank, really? Don't tell me that. What happened? Okay, I think there is a problem. Error unauthorized. I don't need to connect my because I'm not going to push my button. I have already got the enough profit from today. I don't want to wait over there. Mayank, I'm not that guy. Okay. Garcoin, boom. Thank you, brother. Raja, explaining is easy part. It is identifying the arrays is key. Okay, Raja. Uh, if I'm doing something wrong, please correct me. Okay. Unicorn model, which 22 YT model, bro made $400 from this short. Welcome, Swag. Welcome, brother. Hello, bro. Hey, Brinder. कैसी जब Super boom. Thank you, brother. Brinder, man. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. You have missed anything. Team, thank you, brother. Could you please explain what was your target? Here I actually target. Let me go. Come to 15-minute chart. Here is the 15-minute chart. See this 15-minute last parallel gap, consequent encroachment. That consequent encroachment was my target. Okay. But later when I was in 1-minute chart and I have seen this parallel gap, I actually target the high of that parallel gap. So here this is that parallel gap. I just target that parallel gap. But I was confident that market will come at least the consequent encroachment of this last parallel gap. Okay. So here when it came here, this is the reaction of the last parallel gap from 50 meter. All I want to see, it will go through this parallel gap. That's all I want to see. Okay. Now it is going to do or not. I don't. I really don't need that. I really don't need that. Okay. For example, if market is going to take that sell side liquidity or not, I don't need that. We don't predict the close. We just predict the run. Okay. How many times we were right until here? How many times we were right? Here, I just don't need to take that sell side liquidity. I just need a run. Okay. That means if I take that entry over here, I'm not going to hold my trade until here. I don't need it. I will just go for maybe 25 to 40 handle. I'm happy with that. So for example, if I would take that entry from this parallel gap until this area, it's kind of 38 handle to 40 handle. I'm happy with that. I'm done with that. Okay. I explained every level over here. Look over here. I explained every level, right? This is the entry parallel gap. Market can't close above the constant encroachment of the breakaway gap. Now, did it close? No. When market close below that low, see this low, it valid order block. This is the order block. This is the mean threshold. Body can't close above the mean threshold. Did body close above the mean threshold? No. Market went lower when it went through this parallel gap. Here I was wrong. Okay. But as I told, sometimes it works perfectly, sometimes it's really difficult. That's why I told that if I ever take that entry, I put my stop loss just above that parallel gap. If I am wrong, see this 2 3 candle, it just went little higher. So if I am wrong, I will take a very small loss. If I am right, I'll catch that run. Actually, I took that entry if I ever miss that entry. For example, I am just doing something else. When I come back, I see market is already here. Then I actually took that type of entry. Otherwise, I actually don't anticipate or take the last parallel gap entry. Okay, that is actually last parallel gap breaking entry or whatever. So that was my target. That was the thing. Okay. Okay. Mayank, I think he is the market maker. Now, guys, you are telling something big. Okay, big mood. This is not good, man. I'm good, brother. And yes, boom. Yeah, thank you, Biplab, that for that word. Peter is going to print the T-shirt with boom. Love gunfire. Why are you laughing, gunfire? Breathe, boom. Thank you, brother. I watched them all. Peter, really? I don't believe you, man. You are drama king. When you gonna give away prop accounts? I will never do that, Arman. I'm not going to give you something for free. Okay, I'm not going to do that. I know the every YouTubers actually going is doing that. They are going to give away something. No, I'm not going to do that. I don't want anyone here for that. If you want to hear, you want to be here, you have to be here because of the price action for learning, only for learning. Okay, it's your job. What why you are here? Now, this swing high is not valid for shifting market structure. Not valid for shifting market structure. Yeah, I was thinking that there will be a buy setup until that wall highs. I was thinking like that way, a buy setup. But as there is no swing high which is valid for shifting market structure, I'm going to cancel the idea. Okay, I'll just let it go. I'm not interested to take. I mean, how many times I do I need to take that? Okay. I watched the narrative and helped me. Okay, Sijo. Thank you, brother. Sijo says, thanks, man. More boom to come. Raja. Okay. Yeah, giveaway. No giveaway. Strike trader. No giveaway. Love gunfire. Boom to the 15-minute travel. Thank you, gunfire. Boom to the 15-minute travel. Once 3 p.m. macro is done, we should see more move to the downside. Let's see, brother. Gunfire mid. Okay. When you gonna give away prop accounts? I'm not going to do that. Rich mentally. Rich mentally. I'm not gonna do that, brother. I hope you are in a wrong place. This guy is not a normal trader. He born between Japanese candles. Soldier, it's not true. It's not right, man, to make fun of me. Focus on learning from him rather than look for evil accounts. I will never do that, Raja. So if anybody leave me because I'm not going to give away something, I don't care. Thanks and good night. See you, Martin. See you tomorrow, brother. I have to. I can't stay without my chart until it close. So I thought let's come and just do some gossip with you guys. That's why I'm here, okay? Because I can't close my chart. I can't spend my time without seeing this price action. Order block retest. It has retest the order block over here. It should fall now. If it wants to fall, it should fall now. All I want to see, this candle should be broken. That means price will close below that candle. That's the bullish breaker block, which is absolutely valid. A valid bullish order block. I want to see a body close below that candle as my bias is bearish. I want to see it will close below that candle. If it closes below that candle, I'll be very much confident that market is coming to take that sell liquidity as at least. But for that, it has to close below that breaker block. This is valid bullish breaker block, but I want to see it will be broken because my bias is bearish. Okay, guys, but I'm not telling that it's going to happen. That's my expectation. Don't forget like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stephen, thank you, brother. Thank you, man, for reminding us. Please, guys, there is more than 100 people. I didn't get even 50 likes. Seriously, man, I'm not worthy to get at least 50 likes, man. To be honest, seriously, you are doing right. Thank you, Raja. Absolutely, thank you, brother. Stephen, boom, thank you, man. Thank you. Okay, Preet, no problem. More subs, boom. So I'm getting subscriber. I'm happy, man. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm from Bangladesh, Wahid. Absolutely, I'm from Bangladesh, brother. So it closed below that breaker block. I'm really happy. Now I would love to see without giving me any chance. That means no fair value gap trading. It will keep falling. It can't trade any fair value gap. It should keep falling. That's all I'm expecting right now. It should not give any chance to take entry here. No chance. Actually, this is kind of experience, and there is some other way to trade this type of move. You will learn all of these things. Okay, no fair value gap should be traded here until it break that new opening gap, something like that. It can make the fair value gap. There is nothing wrong, but sometimes you see, right, market keep falling, keep falling, keep falling without giving you any chance. This is that area. This is that area where you are not going to get any chance. Now I'm not telling that it's going to happen, but that's my expectation. That means it should not trade any fair value. It should not give you any chance to take the entry over here if it wants to take that sunset liquidity. Okay, big mode, you are laughing. Okay, new subs, but make the animation of the new sub at corner instead of the middle of the screen. In case you are explaining something, it will not cover the view. Okay, guys, I explained what is going to happen, and we will see if it happened already. Okay, I'm sorry, guys, I didn't know it's disturbing, and you also didn't tell me before, so I'm just going to change it. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, overlay. So here, yes, here, here is okay, and it should be the mute. Okay, I guess there is no sound now. I hope it's not going to disturb you anymore. It should not give any chance to take entry. I mean, this parallel gap should not be traded. See, this parallel gap, it should not be traded. That's kind of experience actually. I'm not telling that it's going to happen, but that's my experience. Okay, Titu, you are the best in this industry. Now you guys are just making me fun. Stephen, don't do that. Don't do that, brother. So there was a 15-minute reversal. So the structure reversed to buy side now. No, man, no. No. Brother, you didn't answer my question. What was your question, Wahid? What was your question, brother? Boom to the boom boom. This is fun, dungeon. Okay, brother, you are already giving us huge value by your teachings. We don't need evil accounts. Okay, it's useless without the proper knowledge. I agree with you. I agree with you, brother. Really useless. And I will never do that. Okay, because I'm not getting money from you. So why I will give you the free account? Why? There's no need to give it to you. And I'm not going to do that. Instead of order flow entry deal, brother, here, no, it should not trade that parallel gap. See this parallel gap, it should not trade that. Look, it should not tap to that parallel gap. Here, look, it until now it didn't trade. See, it didn't trade that parallel gap. I love to see that. It should keep falling without giving you any opportunity to take entry. This is kind of a sign of big run. In that type of situation, if it can go through this new day opening gap without giving you any chance, you will see one run will take this sell side liquidity without giving you any chance to take the entry. So this type of run, actually there is another way to trade those. Okay, very risky, but yeah, that's the thing. I want to see it will keep falling without giving you any chance. No institutional order flow entry deal, no entry, no breaker block entry, no mitigation block entry, nothing. This is that type of situation. Now, this is not hindsight, guys. I told you beforehand, right? When the breaker is broken, I told you that it's going to happen or not. I don't know, but that's my experience. My experience is telling me it should not give you the chance to take entry. Okay. Can we try the last 1 minute favorable gap if that breaks until the bottom side if it goes down? I'm not interested right now, Biplab, for any kind of entry because market is in a level which is very, very, very risky. This new day opening gap should not hold the price. It should go through this new day opening gap. Now, one thing can happen. See this last parallel gap from 1 minute chart. It's aligned with new day opening gap. I can get some reaction from there. Okay, though I really don't want to see that. I'm talking about this parallel gap here. 1 minute last parallel gap, not the new day opening gap. I'm talking about this parallel gap. All I want to see, very nice candle go through this 1 minute last parallel gap. I really don't want to see any kind of reaction. See this reaction, I don't want to see that. I want to see one candle will go through this 1 minute last parallel gap. But if it gives me the reaction, that's the problem about my bias. I will be sell side, my sell side will be here. I will start to think it will spend more time here as a consolidation, okay, something like that. So yeah, that's all. See this down close, I mean up close candle, it is the order block, the middle order block, not the accurate one, not the obvious one, but this is the change in state of delivery. This up close candle has that power to stop the price, send it back until the sell side liquidity. This down close candle I'm talking about here, I don't know you can see it or not. Here, this candle has that much power, just only this candle in the middle of the run. Here, this candle, even market should not reach until the mean threshold, but here I guess it tapped to the mean threshold. I don't know, I'm not gonna mark the mean threshold as well, but yeah, this up close candle has that power to send price until that sell side liquidity. All I want to see market will go through this 1 minute last fair value gap. I don't like this reaction. This is the very strong support zone, very strong support zone. Last fair value gap aligned with the new day opening gap. Can you imagine how strong this area? All I want to see, it will go through this. If it can break this level, this is very sweet, very sweet. Okay. Mm, where I was? Okay, too many subscribes now. I really am getting subscriber, or you guys are doing fun with me. Don't do fun, okay? Don't do fun. Okay, 4241. Seriously? Seriously, man? It was unexpected. It was really unexpected. But thanks to all for subscribing to my channel. Thanks to all of you, brother. I know I'm not good, but whatever I know, I'm trying to give you. Now, nobody asked me why I was expecting this. Nobody asked me. Should I answer you? Should I answer you that question? Because nobody asked me that. See, to this breaker block, can we can call it in no, there is nothing called inversion breaker block. There is nothing called inversion breaker block, brother. There is nothing. 5 a.m. here. Good night, bro. See you, Peter. See you, brother. Learned some much today. Thank you, wizard. Okay. We have the last fair value gap. Yeah, might cause reaction. But I explained what I was expecting from that last fair value gap, right, Lenny? Might cause reaction. I guess I gave you the explanation. Hey guys, please consider joining Tito's group. So yeah, you can join to my. Thanks, Stephen. 40K soon. Oh man, seriously? Okay. Thank you, brother. So that's the thing I was expecting. Now, if it makes the fair value gap and trade that fair value gap, I'm happy. But until here, if it would trade the fair value gap, I mean, any chance, if it had give you any chance, then it has much more probability to consolidate. Yeah, something like that. Consolidate. It has broken the area. You will see. Now, if it give you any chance to take entry, nothing wrong with that. Totally nothing wrong. I mean, it can easily tap to the low of that new day opening gap. Obviously, it can do that. Then it can go take that sell side liquidity. Finally, this sell side liquidity. As I told, I'm not 100% sure market is going to take that sell side liquidity or not, but this is going to be taken today. This sell side liquidity, okay, it's going to be taken today. Now, I didn't tell this now, okay, when market was over here in that time, let me tell you one more time, guys. I know some of you don't believe me, but to be honest, when market was over here, I told that market is going to take that sell side liquidity. So it's not right now I'm telling you this, but yeah, it's true. If you don't believe me, you can watch my live, or you can ask the guy who were with me at the London session or New York AM session. Okay, 40K soon. It will never be 40K, brother. Or whatever. Do you look at daily chart? Obviously, Preet, everything I'm outlining here depends from the. I mean, it's coming from the daily chart. So, Preet, I have done every my analysis at Sunday at my live. Okay, I did it to my live streaming. Okay, we all did it all together with the what we said, the dollar index we have done. So it came here, break this level. Now it is trading the last fair value gap, the new day opening gap. I'm happy. And in that type of situation, sometimes I actually take that entry. So my stop loss cover the order block high, and until this sell side liquidity, it works, okay, because it gave me the precision from there. It can easily come here and take that sell side liquidity. So I take that type of entry as well, but here it's near about 23, so I don't want to go for 23. Instead of that, I will go for 15 handle. So if I am wrong, I will take as 15 handle loss. Nothing wrong with it. Okay. Yes, answer. Biplab Nepal, I did. I'm just coming back. Okay, my cat is calling, so I need to open the door for him. My cat was calling for the dinner now at the midnight. I'm going to remove it. What I was talking, I forgot. I'm sorry, I forgot what I was talking. Okay. Uh, Jack T, you are a goat. I'm just your brother, nothing else. Please tell us why you were expecting it. Thank you, Shahid. So you are the one who asked me the question. Look, what I am looking for. I'm looking for sell side. Okay. For example, you buy anyhow. You know that market is going for that sell side. You buy anyhow. Now, when the New York PM session starts, it went higher dramatically. See this run. Look at this run. How beautifully it went higher. At a level, it has made a very nice setup. It went little lower, come back again, retest the order block. This is retesting order block. Around what time it retest the order block? Just at the last hour. Last hour macro start at 250. So here this candle is 250. It has broken the breaker block. This is the breaker block which is much stronger. If I was bullish, I would push my button when it tapped to this breaker block. Last hour means market has no time. Market has no time to spend time here if it wants to go lower. From here, just look from here until here. How many handle? 148 handle. That means it has to reach from here to here within 1 hour. Can you understand? That means you want to go from home to your work within 1 hour. You have to reach over here. Do you have any time to gossip with your friend? Do you have any time maybe for sitting down sometime in the park? No, you don't have. That means it is not going to give you any chance. It's not going to take a pause. It should reach lower. Now, when my market came here and it has broken this area, what is the level? I mean, how many times handle it has to reach? 80 handle. Now market has little time because still it has near about 1 hour. 1 hour it has to reach here. But when market was over here, it has to cross the maximum line. Okay, I mean the maximum area. So from here to here, where is your maximum area? So this is the 50%. When market tap below the 50%, just look at this 50%. This candle went below the 50%. Then after that, market started to do the some kind of consolidation or something like that, because it has already crossed the 50% within 10 minutes. So I have now 1 hour left to reach here. I can spend sometimes because I have time. Think like that way. You are going from home to work, but you have to go there within 1 hour, but within 10 minutes you have already passed 50% of the time. I mean 50% of the road. Within 10 minutes I reached this area. I can spend little time because I have still 1 hour left or 50 minutes left. I can spend little time, then we will go slowly to that sell side liquidity. You understand, brother? This is the logic. I mean, everything working here with a logic. Okay, brother? Okay, where was it? Okay. Mashallah, bhai, you are amazing. Thank you, Shoaib Hussain. Thanks for that comment, brother. Happy Ramadan from Canada. Happy Ramadan, brother. I think 5 a.m. is not good night. You should say good morning to Peter Henry. Okay, good morning, Peter Henry. He already left. So yeah, why কোন broker use current? Wahid Murad, I'm actually trading through the top step. Okay, not the broker. It's a prop firm. So I am actually trading through the prop firm. Guys, if it hits this sell side liquidity, you will write down boom. You have to write down boom. Okay, if it can hit this sell side liquidity, you have to write down boom. Now, for explaining, I remove this thing for explaining. Otherwise, I would keep that to my chart. If it can hit that slow, you have to write down boom. I love that word. You have to do that. Otherwise, I'm gonna stop. You are scaring me, Tito. Damn. Why I'm going to do that? AAFX. Okay, I don't know, brother. How long in new day opening a valid? For 7 days, brother. Hey guys, consider joining Tito's. Thank you, Stephen. Yeah, guys, if you want, you can subscribe to my channel. You can take the subscription, whatever you want. Okay, give me the like, everything, man. Hey guys, consider joining. Okay, thank you, Stephen, for reminding that again and again. Thank you, man. Ramadan Karim, bro, is there a video showing how you do the weekly analysis on your channel? Yeah, obviously, just go to my playlist. You will get a lot of video named is weekly analysis. Okay, brother. Oh, sorry, I missed Sunday live stream. Do you do every week your analysis? Yeah, I'm doing that for near about 5 to 6 months every week. I'm doing that. Okay, sometimes I missed, but most of the time. Roe Lankori. What does it mean? FR2 diver. Sorry, Roe Lankori. What does it mean, brother? Will you be doing London tonight? No, brother, Vainderman, I'm not going to do that because I have to pray, right? Tomorrow is actually Jumma Mubarak, so I have to pray. Thank you for write down boom. Oh, okay, so it hits my target already. Okay, thank you, thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, man. It's boom, bang, boom, bang, boom. Got my target now. Okay, Jack. Welcome. I'm sir. Congratulations. Boom in advance. Thank you, Big Mood. How did you know that? Leonardo Titu, I I want to marry you. What do you say? Oh, and don't say that. But doesn't trade with this trend. Okay, gunfire, nothing is wrong with that. If you don't feel comfortable, don't do it. Okay, if you don't feel comfortable or confident, don't do it. Boom. Thank you guys for writing boom. To everyone, whoever write on boom, thanks for that. Okay. Will it become turtle soup? I don't trade turtle soup, bro, because ICT told if you would love to trade turtle soup, you need at least 10 years experience. So I don't have that much experience. I'm not interested to take turtle soup entries. Okay. Do you have Discord, bro? I have, but I'm not active over there. I am only active in my Twitter. So here is my Twitter. You will get the link to my description, the username at the rate of NRT12345, or you will get the link to my description. So you can connect me with Twitter. You can message me. I never left anyone's message unread. Okay, I always try to give the answer of my message. So yeah, watching from Nairobi. I like it. ICT to the world. Okay, thank you, Terts. Okay, brother, no problem, Vrindaman. Yeah, tomorrow I won't be at the London session. I'm sorry for that. Okay. Thank you to all, whoever write on boom, thanks to all. And thanks, especially thanks to Stephen for reminding everyone to give me the likes for everything. Okay. Stephen, thanks for that comment, brother. I really appreciate that, man. I really appreciate that. Thanks to all, and especially thanks to Stephen for doing this for me again and again, man. Thank you. Gunning from for 18163. I don't know where is 18163, but see this line, it's going to take that line. That's my expectation. That was my target from the beginning. Okay, it's gonna be taken. I am not sure about this social liquidity. Is it going to take that today or not? I'm not sure. Okay, not 100% sure. But if you ask me, gun to my head, it's going to be taken. It's this social liquidity has to be taken. So yeah, that's the thing, man. Okay, push that like button, guys. Push that like button, guys. Thank you, man. Okay. How can I learn to this precision, bro? You just amaze me every day. Lenny, I'm not here to amaze you guys. To be honest, I'm here, I'm spending my time, I'm explaining everything. Every single thing I'm explaining so that you can learn. If you are seeing this as like I'm just doing some movie and you are just enjoying it, oh man, then I'm wrong. Because I'm explaining every single thing so that you can learn this thing. Okay? You have to be precise. You have to be better. I mean, good comparing with me. You have to be better than me. I want to learn from you guys. Okay? So everything I'm showing, I'm explaining, right? I just didn't push my button. When market was when market was here, what I told you, I'm looking for sell. I explained every single thing over here, everywhere, when and how I was expecting. Did you remember when market came here? What did I say? I told until that new opening gap, I am bearish. When market will be here, I will be bullish. I will be bullish. Did I told that? Yeah. When I saw that this thing is broken, I told that I can take an entry over there and I will break even. There will be a break even because I saw this is broken. The new day opening gap is also broken. So I thought maybe I'm not going to get that on. But beforehand, when market was over there, I told when market will be here, I will be bullish. No more bear move. This is the 15-minute fair value gap. The only fair value gap you have. Some of you told me maybe it's going to take that relative equal highs. That can happen, but did I wait for that? When I just get the market structure shift with fair value gap, I took my entry over there, right? That's enough. Until here, I'm done. It come here to that order block. There is another way when actually market break the bullish breaker block. It close the bullish breaker block. You have to take the entry. Wherever the price is, you have to take the entry. That's the way to catch this move. Now you didn't catch that move, no problem. Market break the new day opening gap, tap to the low of the new day opening gap, take entry over there. Put your stop loss above the order block. See this, not this order block, not this one, this one. You can say this the propulsion block or something. You have to just cover this propulsion block. That's all. If you get stopped out, you will take a small loss, doesn't matter. This is the game of probability. You have to play with the probable game. There was your sell side liquidity. I just removed from my chart. This is your extreme one. Do you really need to hold your trade until this sell side liquidity? Do you need to do that? I don't need that because it can easily left that sell side liquidity for the outside of the PM session. That means after 4, it can take that sell side liquidity. I don't need it. Even if you take that entry from here, I guess the sell side liquidity was here somewhere. 55 handle. Done. I'm done. You don't need to catch the whole run. So brother, I'm just doing all of this, Lenny, so that you can learn, brother. You can learn this precision. You have to be precise. I would love to learn from you. What's T2 group? What's T2 group? What is that? I don't know. What is that? I really don't know. T2 group. I don't know. Big mode. Push that like button, guys. Thank you, Hassan, for reminding them. Please push the like button, brother. That was amazing, brother. You are the best with the precision. ICT would be very proud. ICT never know about me, okay? He never know about me. My dream is maybe one day ICT will come to my to my life and he will tell me, you are doing that wrong. Now you should do that. Something like that, okay? He will correct me. That's my dream. I want to be corrected by ICT. I did a lot of things wrong. So I want to be corrected by ICT. Maybe one day he will come. Maybe for one time. That's my dream, guys. But yeah, there's Tanja who has near about 2000 viewers all the time, and ICT spent most of his time to his chat box. Uh, it's kind of bad feelings when you touch grass. When do I touch grass? I don't know. He deserves more than a like. Yeah, if you just give me the like, I'll be happy. Thank you, Casey, for writing down boom. Hey, brother, didn't knew. Uh, what did you say? Didn't knew you were streaming. Modestus, I opened a poll to my Twitter. Here, I opened a poll here. then I put the link to the description, I mean sorry, to the live, then I come to my live. Okay, I just didn't come live suddenly. You just missed it, brother. Sir, I also posted the live on top step chat and some other discord. Okay, Ciso, thank you, brother, but I mean thank you, brother. I really I'm a noob about these social media things. If you guys can help me, I'll be happy. Okay. Thank you, Stephen. Again and again, reminding that don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, brother. It will take till the end of today, brother. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe, but I really want to see it will be taken. Okay, because it will left that sell liquidity for the 4 p.m. I mean outside of the 4 p.m. That's my expectation. It has to take that liquidity before 4 p.m. That's my expectation, guys. Okay, I am expecting like that way, but maybe I'm wrong. Okay, sometimes I'm wrong with my direction. Okay, maybe. Thank you, Sizo Saz. I mean, whatever you have done, I guess I get some subscription because of you guys for your helping. Thank you. Thanks to all. I need more people so that more people can learn from here. That's all, brother. Bro, do you live stream all day for New York? So whenever I trade, I mean, I do live streaming. I tweet here. Okay, so if you are with me in my Twitter, you can see here at the rate of NRT12345. That's my Twitter. What to say? I mean, what to say? I don't know. You will find me by that. Okay, username, I guess. You will find me by that, or you will get the link to the description whenever I come for the live. I post over there, or you can just subscribe to my channel. You can push the notification button one so that you will get the notification if I ever come to the live. Okay, brother. Work trades. Exactly from where you got 186,162.5. I have 18,174. See this low and that low. They are relatively equal lows. This low has taken that relatively equal lows. So this is the shallow run. What did I tell you about the shallow run? If you ever see the shallow run, go and mark the low of that shallow run. So this is your actual liquidity. Now, when I saw this and I saw this low, they are relatively equal lows. See, they are very relatively equal lows. So immediately I have changed my mind, and instead of that low, I marked that low as my sell side liquidity. So that's how I have found this sell side liquidity. Okay, that's how I have found. I guess, brother, it's clear. And there is the stream elements membership will be appreciated. You will see that to the comment box. I guess you can see it. This is actually because of the membership things. Okay, so if you want to get the membership, you can press there and you will see the things over there. Okay, everything, you can check that out if you want. You will notice your channel is growing fast. Yeah, okay, see, it's true. I mean, from the last week, last month actually, it's growing fast. I don't know what happened, but suddenly I'm getting some viewers, some people to my live. Is there anyone who is new, who just joined today, just came to my live today? Anyone? Just today is your first day. Anyone? How you exactly know you on 60 to 8? So I just explained that, brother. Yeah, that would be beautiful. Okay. He never corrects because he thinks it affects the trader's confidence. He has to correct me if I ever get any chance to connect with him. He has to correct me because I have a lot of technique to ask him some questions, so that he has to correct me. There is no other option. Okay, I offer something nobody can refuse. You are so humble, that's why you can think right and help us. I don't know. I don't know, brother. This live stream is money. Okay, I don't know. He just watches. But meet Patel. If he ever joined to my life, I promise you, okay? I challenge you. He will correct me because I will make that situation. He has to correct me. Brother, I see this sleeping on you. The mentor doesn't witness one of his best student. It's such a shame. Oh man, don't say like that, women. Yeah, not using Twitter much. No problem, Modestus. You can just subscribe to my channel and you can actually push the notification button. Okay, over here I have nothing to do, guys. Nothing to do. I just can't frame my trade from here. I just can't do it. So I'm just reading your comments. Here, again, I have nothing to do. Look, from 15 minutes. Can you see here is the entry fair value gap? Even if market would love to make another setup before taking that sell side liquidity, it has to reach to that gap. See this gap? It has to reach to that gap before selling. If it wants to take that sell side liquidity after with a setup. So that's why I'm just reading your comment because I have nothing to do except waiting. Okay, I hope you will understand. That's why I'm just spending my time by writing, I mean, reading your comments. Folks, let's support this channel, share and like this to your friends. Thank you, Rams. Yeah, guys, you can share to your friends if you want. The way you can share, you can do that for me. Okay. Bro, do you work a job too or just trade for living? No, I don't trade for living. Okay, to be honest, guys. No, I can't disclose that. I'm sorry, brother, but yeah, I don't live by trading, but I don't do anything else except, yeah, I mean, except trading. Okay, I don't do anything else except trading. The only thing in this world I know is this market. He is my only friend. He is my only girlfriend. He is everything to me. This chart, this little small candle is everything to me. But yeah, I don't live or I don't depend on trading for living. Okay, whatever I'm earning from here, I don't even use a penny from my earning. I don't even use a penny, not even a cent. But I don't want to talk about that too much. You asked, I just gave you the answer. Man, lot of comment. I can't finish all of them. Okay, I can't finish all of them. I'm sorry. What is your name? My name is T2. Bro, honestly, with no lie, why you decide to give everything you have for free on YouTube? So rare to find someone like that. Full clear answer, please. Okay, 16. Can you ask me this question in Sunday? Because Sunday the market is closed. I love to talk, okay? Over there I will talk. But here, if you go to my first or second live stream, you will see there I told, man, whatever I have, I'm going to give you all. I'm not gonna keep anything inside of me. I know every YouTuber till that, and finally they actually keep the important thing inside of them because they want to start the mentorship, private mentorship or something, or maybe any other reason. I'm not going to do that. I am going to give you every single thing so that you can understand how to read this price, and I'm going to do that free. I don't want your money, not even a single cent for this. Okay, now membership is something different. If you want to take the membership, that's different thing. I mean, that's the YouTube thing. Okay, I want to earn money from YouTube, though it's a very small money, 100 $200, but I love it. Okay, I will spend that money for me. But for trading or related the trading, I am not going to take not even a single penny from anyone. So please ask me that question. I will explain, brother. I will explain that uh, in Sunday, okay? Because that day market will be closed and there won't be lot of people. There will be maybe 30 to 40 people. So it will be easier for me to explain, brother. Read my comments, bro. Leonardo Miguel, what did you say? Okay, boom, I passed the challenge. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations for passing the challenge. Let's dance, man. I'm happy as oh man. Congratulations, brother. Oh man. Thanks for the help on the bias and how to read. You helped me get 2% on this challenge. Much love, Tito. Thank you, Leonardo. No problem, brother. Thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, I just missed maybe all of your comment, but I can't complete the comment. Okay, I just can't do it. So I'm sorry if I just missed your comment. I'm sorry. Nice to meet you, Tito. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, brother. Nice to meet you too, brother. Leonardo, congratulations, brother. Thank you, brother, for your time. You are the best price reader I have ever seen. Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan Mubarak, a busy trader, brother. Where is that guy? That guy was, what was his name? I told to the London session, brother, please come back again to the New York session. I will tell you that market is going to take that sell liquidity. Oh, okay. He actually came and he surrendered. I forgot. Don't ever doubt about my direction. Okay. Okay. You are one of the best ICT YouTubers. Okay, VP. Thank you for that comment. Am I really? I don't know. Okay, I will catch you in Sunday. I will can't escape. Okay, RK16. We'll meet in Sunday, brother. PDS. Do you live in Portugal? Yep. Yep. I live in Portugal. Right now I'm in Bangladesh, but I will go to Portugal. Is there anyone who is from Portugal? If there is anyone who is from Portugal, you please give me a message. Okay, I need to talk to you. If there is anyone from Portugal and you are with me for, I mean, you know me, okay? Not the new guy. Like you just come today. So not like that. You are with me for so long. If there is anyone from Portugal, please give me a message. I need some help. Okay, I just not the money. Don't be afraid. Okay, I'm not going to ask money, but I need some help. Okay, so you can give me a message, sorry, message to my Twitter. I need to communicate. If there is anyone from Portugal, I remember the name something Crane. Yeah, yeah, the Crane. Yeah, something Crane. His name was Crane. Go and take a rest, brother. Hassan, yeah, I will go, brother. But before closing the session, I just can't take risk. Okay, I have to stay here. I'm just talking to you guys. Do I need to frame another trade? I don't think so. I mean, after this big run, market is not going to give you a lot of setup. But it's still, if I am wasting your time, I'm sorry. You can leave. Okay, I'm not talking about the price, not anymore. I will stay until the 4. We are very near to the 4, so 30 more minutes. I will stay until the 4, and then I will close my session. Okay, so yeah, please, if you think you are done, I'm done. Okay, I don't want to frame another trade. I don't want to do that. I'm really tired to frame my trade for one day. It's enough, I guess. Let us take time to study, folks. Please listen to T2. We need to learn to read this price on our own. Yeah, absolutely, Ryan. You have to do it by yourself. I'm doing it so that you can get a guideline. So I'm just guidelining you. I first what I'm doing. First, I'm marking my direction. Where market is going. I'm doing that before even start the session. Every single day. Remember when price was here, what did I say? Market is coming here to that entry fair value gap. Remember that. I actually forget about this thing, what I was talking about here. I forgot. But from here I remember. I told that market is coming any of this fair value gap. I don't care about anything else. Any of this fair value gap market is coming. When market came here, I told that now market is going to fall. Here market is going to fall. So yeah. So first I'm giving you the direction, then I am showing you how you will anticipate the trade, how you will use the last fair value gap. Okay, how you will remember. Here was another last fair value gap. I told that you have to take the entry and your stop loss has to be just above the last fair value gap. Here, look, this fair value gap. This is also the last fair value gap. I talked about this entry here. Actually, I took this type of it. Just think there is no new day opening gap. There is no new day opening gap. This is the last fair value gap. I will put my stop loss just above the last fair value gap, and I will go for the sell side liquidity, something like that. If I am wrong, I will take a very small loss. Not even here. My stop loss will be just one tick, maybe one tick above that last fair value gap. No, I am not showing you here after the hindsight. Whatever I'm telling you here, I gave you the proof. Okay, it works. I gave you the proof here. Order block. I read the price, every single thing over here. What I was expecting, what market should do if market would love to fall. Until what time it should fall, then you should get the reaction. I explained everything. So here, this is that last fair value gap. If I missed everything over here and I need a setup, I need to take an entry. Sometimes it's like I need to take an entry. In that type of situation, I take this type of entries. Take entry here, put my stop loss just above the last fair value gap. If I see anything special over there, I mean another fair value gap or something, I just cover that. If I don't see, then I just put my stop loss just above that last fair value gap. 7 handle, I take risk for near about 86 handle. Okay, and when I get a very nice run, I put my stop loss to the break even, so that I'm cool. I'm done. Even if it hit my stop loss, I don't care, because I have already put my stop loss to the break even. Okay, do not send this clown money. What do you say? I'm not asking for the get a job, you broke bozos. What's that, Carter? What's that, brother? I don't know. I didn't ask for money. Okay, so there is this guy is clearly scamming. Click off this stream if you are a real person in this chat. Okay, Lemao, you are clueless. At least know how to trade. Lol. Okay, do not send this clown money. I'm not asking for the money. Okay, whatever. I don't know what you are talking about. I didn't ask for the money. I actually asked if there is anyone from Portugal. I need to talk to him. Okay, for something else, not for money. I'm not asking for the money. I don't know. Is scamming? Okay, okay, okay. I don't know how to block. I really don't know. Okay, I don't know how to block. I don't know. Okay, just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Uh, mind distracts. Okay, 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 okay. I'm just going to leave him. Okay. Okay, guys. So finally, I'm gonna remove this here. This low. This is that level 18162.50. Here it has taken, right, before 4:30. Finally it hit my target. I told you I'm not 100% sure market is going to take that low or not. I'm not sure. I really don't know. But this is going to be taken. Gun to my head. Market is going to take that low. Buy anyhow. I don't care anything else. So it has, you can see, finally it has taken that sell side liquidity. I believe that you guys will get little confidence, and you will start to learn, because this ICT concept really works. Okay, it really works, brother. So yeah, so I don't know how can I make it, but if you are confused anything, you can ask me. Okay, I will either try to reply you, or I will refer you a video so that it can be clear. Okay, okay, I guess clear. But haven't trade with this love gun pair. Okay, you didn't trade it, no problem, brother. Click on the name and press block. Okay, I'm going to do that. So I will click Carter name. Where is the block? Oh, there is nothing. Channel activity, go to channel, pin message, report, remove, put user in timeout, hide or user on this channel, add as moderator. No, no, man, it doesn't show anything like block. Okay, just let him go. What's a liquidity rage? Carter, I can't block you, brother. I just can't block you, brother. Okay, I'm sorry. If you are still here, you deserve it. This guy is scamming you. Okay, biggest clown. I don't know how to block him, but yeah, let him write down whatever he wants to write. Just ignore his message. I don't care. Okay. I wanted this negative comment, so I am getting this negative comment. Thank you. Oh man. Okay, so whole price action over here with you guys. I believe that you got something from this video, and I thought that I will stay until 4. If you let me stay here, I will stay until 4. Okay, and at the same time, if you I mean, yep, that's the thing. Okay, so thank you. You should have two options: block and report. Okay, Carter, let me try if I can block you or not. Okay, there is no nothing, but there is a word called block. Okay, unwanted commercial content or spam. Okay, unwanted commercial or content spam. Okay, I'm gonna report your name. This comment is no longer visible to anyone other than the commenter. Okay, so Carter is also is the Carter is only going to see his comment, nobody else. This swing high is valid for shifting market structure over here. Now I'm bullish. Now I'm not going to push my button, but I am bullish now. I'm no more bearish. I'm now bullish. So I got the market structure shift here. I will look for two fair value gap if market can make two fair value gap or not. Let's see. So here is the first fair value gap here, and there is the breakaway gap over here. To ask me about the target, see the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. I'm gonna mark the 15-minute last fair value gap. So this candle low, this candle high. There's the 15-minute last fair value gap over here. It didn't make that fair value gap. Let's see if it can make it here or not. If I take that entry, how much will be my risk? Oh man, kind of 22 handle. I will go for that 19 handle and take that. I don't know it's going to give me any chance to take the entry or not, but yeah, that is. Well, let's not go for that far. Go until here. It's 2.51, something like that. Let's just remove it because some people will start to take that entry. I don't want to do that right now. At the end session, I just want to do that. You will see that, okay? Due to Carter's liquidity. Awesome, that was fine, man. Oh man, ignore the negativity, people. Love compare, no problem, brother. I wanted that. I was thinking that why nobody is going to comment to my channel. I mean, negative comment. So there was the Carter who actually did that. Even when you want to block someone, you are so kind and gentle. God bless you. Wish you the best, bro. Okay, thank you, Jack T. I don't know. Restricted a lot of loves. Okay, I agree, Ran. The trolls distract from the people here who wants to genuinely learn. Yep. Is this move short cover, you think? What did you say? CEO Saj. Also, list post tomorrow idea. Friday. Okay, I will see that. Is whether the bashers showing up means that this channel will grow all the more. Let's see, brother, if we can grow or not. If it grows, I'll be happy. I'll be really happy if it can grow. Oh man, what happened? Why the candle stopped over there? Okay, I don't think so. It's going to give me any chance. One, two. This is the third number candle. If it failed to trade that value gap, this entry is no more valid. If it fails to trade that value gap, this entry is not valid. not anymore. This is called immediate reaction. So you have to go with the immediate reaction. And guys, please don't push your button at the last hour. At the last hour, okay? The last moment. Don't push your button. Just outline a setup. Just see if it works or not. One setup you are going to sacrifice. That doesn't mean you are going to lose everything, right? So still remember you have this sell liquidity, but I am not believing that market is going to take that sell liquidity. I mean before 4 p.m. I don't want to see that. I would love to see it will expand higher until that 50-minute last parallel gap at least. Something like that. Or maybe until that new opening gap. Uh, please ignore those people. You will always find negative haters. I love negative people. But I really didn't want to block him, okay? I really didn't want to. But as you guys, I mean, some of you will be new here and you guys will be distracted. That's why I just blocked him. Otherwise, I didn't want to report him, okay? Everyone, at the first time they think I'm doing something bad. Every single of you, okay? Whenever you came to my live, first you thought, what is this guy doing? There is only 10 people, 20 people is watching his live. Very small channel. This guy is shit. I believe that. But whoever stay with me for longer, they know what I am doing. Okay. Once came exactly. That's why I asked some shorts cover that area and move up. I'm expecting that market will come here to that 15-minute travel gap now. Okay. Now I'm gonna remove everything because otherwise someone will just come and they will think, okay, this is the trade. Let's push the button. We are the retail trader, so let's chase the price. I don't want to see that. It's waiting for you. Jack T, what is waiting for me? Sorry for all the new questions. Tijo, no problem, brother, but I really didn't get your question, okay? My thing is, this was my obvious sell liquidity which has taken over here. I'm now first time, then price. Always remember, first time, then price. What I have used here, first I used the time. I saw it's very near to the last hour. So first I gave the priority for the time. Market came here, spent some little time, went lower. Now before 4, it has taken the liquidity. That means it has reached to its destination. Before 4, right? Still I have 30 minutes left. What I will do? I will maybe take a smoke. I will take a tea. I will take a cup of tea, or I will do something. I will spend some time over here, right? Because my job will start at 4. So it's doing that. It's just spending time over here. Okay, brother? Okay. Thank you. Buy up at travel cap. No, I'm not going to buy, brother. Gunfire. Please don't push your button at the last hour. This is highly risky. And after 3:30 until 3:45, entry is valid. But after 3:45, if you ever push your button after 3:45, don't ever think twice to leave me, to unsubscribe me, to unfollow me, to do everything. Okay, if you ever push your button after 3:45, just unsubscribe me, unfollow me, because you are not listening to me, so you should not be here. And just expect the price how it is reacting. Just look until that last parallel gap. You are here to learn the price action. You are not here to take the entry. Taking the entry is too easy. You missed that entry, no problem. You can take the breaker block entry over here. When the breaker block is broken, you can take that entry. You missed that on, you can take the new day opening gap entry or the last parallel gap entry. You missed that on, there is no more opportunity. I mean, entries are so easy, but all is important the way you will anticipate the price. Okay, the stream elements. Okay, so there is the membership link. It's actually guys, is it disturbing the stream elements link? I actually post that from the stream elements. So after 30 minutes it actually posts automatically to the comment box. If anybody wants to take the membership, they will get that link. Okay, is it distracting? If it is distracting, I will remove that as well. Okay, so yeah, I have my ICT notes from study the last 3 years, and them I have T2 notes. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you, Big Mode, for reminding the guys. Please don't forget that, okay? I agree. I lost a lot of money gambling after 3:45, same like morning 15 minutes. Yeah, man. Thank you, Caesar Surge, for confirming that. If you ever push your button after 3:45, don't hesitate. Just unfollow me, just unsubscribe me because you didn't listen to me. Okay? Thank you. It's not distracting. Okay, thank you, Bigmot. So I will keep it. Okay. So sometimes some people actually ask for the membership link. It will keep posting over there. Thank you, man. I took that order block entry. Welcome. I mean, congratulations, Ahmed Mustafa. Good night, everyone. It was a good day with much learned. Good night, Sida Pro. I'm also going to close my trade, but let me spend until 4. Okay, I want to stay here until 4. After 4, I'm also going to close my session. So from here, here, still 26 and I'm happy. Lot of opportunities, man. Lot of opportunities. I would love to see how many subscriber I got today. And guys, if anybody is from Portugal, please let me know. Okay, I'm not asking for money, but I need some help because I want to move in Portugal. So I need some help actually. Okay, maybe you will be afraid of. I need help because of the home. I mean, you know what to say. I mean, I need a home or room, something like that. So I need that type of help. If anybody is from Portugal, and if you think you can help me with that, just a room or something, you can just give me a message to my Twitter. It's not kind of forcing you. If you can, okay, in that type of situation, you can do that. Otherwise, it's okay. It's perfectly okay. I mean, I'm not forcing. I'm just telling. Okay. So thank you for understanding. 4255. Huge achievement from one day. Huge as achievement. Okay. Can you explain that 1 minute entry idea? I'm new with ICT. That's 22 IT model. Something like this. For you are looking for sell. Okay. So you will wait to market, take some buy side liquidity. After taking the buy side liquidity, when you will get the market structure shift, there will be one fair value gap. If you see two fair value gap, that's kind of heaven. I call it as a well-known setup. Okay, that's I am the one who talked about this well-known setup. I am the one who explained that well-known setup perfectly. I am the one who shows you again the precision from that well-known setup. So if there is two fair value gap like here, there was two fair value gap. You have to take your entry to the first fair value gap. Your stop loss has to cover the breakaway gap. Most of the time you will see it will tap the entry fair value gap. It will fail to go to the breakaway gap and then it will go lower. So this is that 1 minute entry model. Okay, see market. Where is the market right now? Brother, you missed the entry. No man, I didn't miss it. You know that. I don't wait to come to that fair value gap. I just take my entry, close approximately entry until I don't need to reach here to that 50-minute last fair value gap. When it has reached to that new day opening gap, I'm done. So for example, if I would push my button, I would have pushed it from here. My stop loss would cover the breakaway gaps constant encroachment until here. So that would be my trade, like near about 36 handle. Not huge, brother. I know. Still, if I take one contract, it's near about $700. For me, huge. No man, you don't push your button, you just tell us. I told you, right? Did I ever tell you about the buy? When did I tell you about the buy? When market has taken that sell side liquidity, then I told you, let's go for the buy. Did I get the run? I get it. I never wrong with my bias. I'm not going to be wrong with my direction. Learning is fun, folks. Reading price action is the best. Okay, thank you. Why you going to Portugal, dude? Your family there or no, 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 no. Actually, I am going over there because my family is over here in Bangladesh, but I need to get the passport from Portugal. You know, some kind of cured life, something like that. In Bangladesh, guys, just let me show you. Okay, I just let me show you. Let me log in and I'm just showing you. Just 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Let me show you. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. I'm gonna log in and I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, and uh, just 1 second. I don't know if it's going to show it or not. Okay, I just want to remind you that equities contracts have rolled over from. Okay, so yeah, now you can see it, I guess. Can you see it, guys? I don't know if you can see it. Just look. I have just complete one account for 100K. I have completed that when 8th of March. Can you see? I started that 6th of March. I completed that 8th of March. They complete 3 days. It takes 3 days. Winning days 100% and something like that. Okay, so 100K trading combine. See here, 6,197 something like that. So I complete that 8th of March. What is the date for today? 15th of March. I completed that. I got a free reset. Actually, the fire drill, the fire drill, top step provides the fire drill. I had one fire drill, so I took that and I just finished this one. So yeah, I just finished that, but I'm unable to pay the $149. I'm unable to pay because I'm in Bangladesh and I just can't pay that bill. So guys, I'm not showing you this to prove that how good I am. No, I'm not showing you that. I'm just showing you this so that you can understand why I want to move in Portugal. I'm unable to pay the bill, $149. Speak vid, speak, speak kid. Thank you, brother, for that subscription. Thank you, man. Thanks for the subscription. I really appreciate it. Okay, what I was talking. When I have finished it, I was unable to pay the $149. Can you see? I started 6th of March. I finished it 8th of March. Before I had I passed 150K. It went, I mean, it passed 1 month. So I was unable to pay the bill. I couldn't take that express account. Right now, I'm holding two express accounts. One is 150K, another one is 50K. I'm struggling with 50K to be honest, brother. I don't know how far I can continue with that 50K account. Very soon gonna blow that account. Okay, still now I have profit near about $2,700 to my 50K account. To 2,700 or 600, something like that. But I know that I'm going to blow that account because I can't take that much pressure. I'm really trying to cope up with 150K to 150K. It's really difficult. Still, I'm unable to pay the $149 to take this express account. I'm unable. That's why I want to move in Portugal. I need the secured life where I can do anything. Okay. But to be honest, I just do this for fun. Okay. Just for fun. I don't even spend one single dollar. You have to believe me. Allah, you know, Allah is our God. He is the witness. I never use one single dollar, just one single dollar from my earning from this trading. I never use that. Now, if you believe me or not, I don't know. I don't live my life depending on that trading. Okay, I don't do that. Did not give IOFED. There was the entry actually. This is the close approximately entry. You have to expect that market is not going to give you the setup. Okay, brother. Hey, do you maybe know why dollar went bullish today? Because I'm bearish on dollar long term. Maybe you look at it different. Uh, 2K. Okay, the last name is 2K. Brother, uh, I did the explanation in Sunday about the dollar. Okay, so you can watch that. I told that I'm expecting higher run for dollar. Okay, let me go over there. Let me show it to you. Dollar index. Dollar index. See, this is the entry fair lookup. Now I'm gonna remove the entry fair lookup from my chart. This is the last fair lookup. I told to my last weekly analysis that I want to see dollar will come either the entry fair lookup or the last fair lookup. After reaching any of this fair gap, then it will go toward that sell side liquidity. That is why dollar went higher. I told him to go higher. I'm just kidding. The price action was telling us that price will reach to that last fair gap from the daily chart. So price came here. Now it should fall. Should fall toward that sell side liquidity. So next week, my expectation is you will see the higher run for Nasdaq. So Nasdaq will go higher toward that all-time high next week. But before that, it has to take that sell side liquidity. So tomorrow it's going to take that sell side liquidity. Okay. The 2K, the last is 2K. SNXGSON 2K. Yes, really. Why? What is why, brother? Okay, I think you were asking about that 149. I just can't pay the bill from Bangladeshi credit card. Okay, I am unable to buy the the plan for the trading view. I'm using one of my brother's credit card. He lives in Portugal. I'm using his credit card to get the just the update. I mean the data. Just getting the data. I'm using his credit card. He actually set everything for me. I'm just going to get the data only. I'm unable to pay the bill because from Bangladesh, the Bangladeshi credit card doesn't allow us to pay any kind of dollar bill. And brother who actually took the spiv kit, thanks for joining to the membership, brother. Really thank you so much. Okay, you took that top step using $49. No, that's $99 account, but I had a fire drill, so I used that fire drill to reset 100k account to reset. Okay, I don't know how to say that. Okay, why not use micros on the 50k? What is your question, Big Mota? I don't know. Thanks a lot. No problem. I use top step too. Congratulations, brother. My pleasure. No problem, stick trader. Big Mot, you are laughing. What is entry fair value gap? Means that you have to come. You have to come to my live, or you have to watch the video I have uploaded to my channel to understand what is entry fair value gap. Or you have to come back again and again to my live, because I am now fed up to explain the same thing again and again. What is entry fair value gap? What is last fair value gap? I'm really tired, man, to explain the same thing. And right now, I really don't have the mood to explain this, that 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 thing, that entry fair value gap things. Okay. Oh, it is V now. Yeah. Entry-fair gap is next to last fair gap. Absolutely. Entry-fair gap is next to last fair gap, brother. That's the thing. Yeah. भाई कि आगे पब्स खेलते हैं PUBG. Hmm. PUBG. I am not a gamer. Okay. I am not a game type people. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for being with me, and thanks to all for subscribing to my channel. 4258 subscriber. And where is my execution? My execution is over here, but I am not connected right now, so it's not showing actually. Overall, today was not bad. We were bearish until that sell side liquidity. When this sell side liquidity has taken, market went higher. Now look, this low and that low. What is this? It's your job to look for the liquidity. Where is your liquidity? It's your job to look for that liquidity. Okay, and I believe that you will understand the direction. What should be your direction? Is there any buy side liquidity? No. Is there any sell side liquidity? Your job to look for the sell side liquidity here. When you will change your bias, if you see market went above that new day opening gap, you have to think, okay, market is not going to fall, it's going to go higher. Not this one, okay, sorry, not this one, this new day opening gap. If market can reach above that new day opening gap, then you will start to think market is going for that boom. Okay? Every time market went higher, what did I say? Wait for fall. This is how you will get that. Simple, man. I will ask question tomorrow. Okay, Mustafa. Today I'm really tired, man. You said you were close to blowing the 50K, so I was asking why not use micros, or why are you saying it as a joke? Okay, Big Mode, I got your question. No, I told that I'm going to blow my account. It's because I'm fed up with 50K. That's why, brother. If I don't want to blow my account, I will never do that. But when I get fed up, I actually blow my account. I do it intentionally because I want to take this one, but I have no idea how can I get this one. I have to pay $149. So if I can reach Portugal before 1 month, then I'll be able to pay that bill. Otherwise, maybe I will let it go and I will try to pass another challenge. Then I will take it. But yeah, the thing is, 50K account is actually giving me the pain. Okay, because of the the room for the stop loss here. If I take a stop loss to my real account where I have the maximum stop loss for 6,000, so I can take $6,000 loss in a day. But for 50K account, I have to take maximum $1,000 loss. So my stop loss has to be something like that most of the time here. So I'm getting fed up with that. Okay, so that's the thing, man. I want to blow that account intentionally, not like I can't hold it. That's why no, not like that. Still now there is near about 2006 to $700 still profit. Okay, I mean profit 2006 or 7 exactly, I don't remember, 6 or $700, 2006 and $700. So if I want to keep that, I can make that 5 6,000. It's nothing for me. I'm not telling that I'm best, but it's nothing for me because I can do it anytime. I can do whole day, buy sell, I can do whole day. But yeah, to be honest, I just don't want to continue that on. Okay, yeah, big mode, absolutely, brother. That's the shallow run, so that is the obvious liquidity now. Hello everyone, Ramadan Mubarak. Mul Farma, you are late, brother. Big mode, don't laugh, brother. Thank you for showing the dollar. You are a really chill trader. Keep going. Thank you 2K. Harman, thank you, brother, for being the member. Thanks for believing everything I'm doing here. Okay, because if you don't believe, you will never take that membership. So I think that you guys are believing me and you are taking the membership. I really appreciate that. All I care is your belief. If you believe me, I'm really happy. Thanks to all guys. We hope ICT Michael to watching your videos in future and to comment in your comments. Oh, and that's kind of dream for every ICT student. Okay, guys, I thought I will wait until 4 p.m. So it's more than 4. Today's session has end so far. If you think it was helpful to all of you, I mean, it was little helpful, then you can give me a like. Okay, just don't forget to give me a like. Use macro contracts. 10 macro is equal to 1 minute. Herman, the thing is, brother, I'm not. How can I explain that, man? That's my feeling. Okay, I don't want to continue that 50K account. That's all, nothing else. I'm not afraid to continue that on. I'm not afraid that I'm gonna blow that account because I don't know what to do. I know every single thing, but I'm really fed up with that 50K because I'm now used to trade with $6,000 maximum loss in one day. So when I am going to that account and my maximum loss is $1,000, it's a psychological issue. Overall, it's the dollar, and my profit. I have a plan for them. I want to donate them to, I mean, whatever. Just let it go. But yeah, I don't want to use the money from here. I want to do a job. To be honest, if I when I will be in Portugal, if I get a chance, to do a night job, then I will do the night job, and at the day I will do the live streaming for you guys. Okay, I don't want to use the trading money for my daily expenses. I started to learn this trading because of I wanted to be a millionaire, or I wanted to earn a lot of money from here. But everything has changed from 2022 when my father died. Everything has changed. Okay, that's why I'm here. I'm doing all of this thing freely. Okay, so that you guys can learn it. When you will be done with learning. I'll be done with streaming. You will never see me again. Never ever. You will never see me again. But yeah, I'm not gonna delete anything from my YouTube. It will be there. Just I won't be there. That's all, brother. Okay. I hope you know it's kind of feelings. I can't explain this, but that's all. So it doesn't mean that I am afraid to lose that 50K account. No, I'm not afraid. If I want, I can keep it until $50,000. It's nothing for me. But the thing is, I'm fed up with this that 50K account. That's all, brother. Nothing else. Okay. Do you trade London session? I was live last 3 4 days in my London session. You can check, brother. I was in live. Okay. I push my button at the London session. Even today also. Okay. We will support you, brother. You deserve this. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Harman. So yeah, thanks to all for supporting me. Thanks to all for sharing my channel's link to other people so that more people can know about me. As much as people can learn about me, I'll be happy. I'll be happy because most of the people know about me. More people know about me. This is very random, okay? I'm telling you, man, this is very random. Very random. When price came here, right there, exactly right there. Very random. It doesn't work always. Okay, this last Traveloka concept, it's bullshit. It never works. It just works sometimes. It doesn't work all the time. Yeah, I know. Okay guys, I'm done for today, and thanks to all. There's something about the highest or lowest Traveloka in a swing. Harman, you're new maybe, brother. You will understand everything, don't worry. uh, you will get everything. Just keep coming. Okay, just keep coming for 7 days. You will get every single thing. You don't need to ask me anything. If you just at the same time, if you can go to my channel and watch the study playlist and the narrative playlist, you will be ahead of everyone else. Okay, maybe you can ask top step brother to take the money from your 50K account profit to activate your 100K account. Okay, I didn't think like that way. Yeah, I will talk to them like then. I will talk to them. Yeah, I never thought like that way. But yeah, I can do that, I guess. Do you trade London? I give you the answer. Okay, you can sell that 50K account and pay the 100K account with that money. How can I do that, civil engineer? I really don't know. Bro, please upload ICT concepts like course. Mujibur Rahman, please go to my channel. You will get that. Just go to my playlist. You will get so many things over there, brother. Okay, bro. Hope to see you during London. Tomorrow I won't be at the London session, okay? Because tomorrow is the Friday. I am Muslim, so I have to go for the Jummah. Okay, so around the London session there will be the Jummah. So I won't be there in for the London tomorrow, brother. I'm sorry. There are some countries which are not eligible for top step. Bangladesh is one of them. Yep, Nair, absolutely, brother. I just can't pay anything to dollar from Bangladeshi credit card by using the Bangladeshi credit card. There's something about the heist. Okay, Harman, you will get everything. Okay, thanks, bro. See you Monday. Big Mode, you will see me tomorrow, but not at the London session. You will see me tomorrow at the New York session, I believe, if I am not dead. Okay, if I am dead, please forgive me, everyone. I'm sorry. If I am rude, I'm sorry, but if I'm not dead, then maybe you will see me tomorrow at the New York session. Okay. So thanks to all for subscribing. Thanks to all for giving me the like. Thanks to all and welcome to my channel. So don't just subscribe and leave me. Don't do that. If you subscribe me, just keep coming at least for 7 days in a row. You will never leave me alone again. Okay. So until then, tomorrow's New York session. Until tomorrow's New York session. Cheers, guys. See you. Bye bye.